Our caulking gun holster is adjustable to fit any size caulking gun. It has a removable drip tray to catch any drips. With a caulking gun in place, it also has an attachable tube caddy to eliminate needless trips up and down a ladder. The belt hook fits onto the rim of a 5-gallon bucket, and with the addition of a regular pot hook, attaches to any ladder. The holster is fully ambidextrous and comfortably fits onto any belt. The swivel belt hooks allow it to move freely with the legs and body, making it fully ergonomic. The tool allows easy access to the caulking gun during any project, and as an additional benefit, the wearer has 2 free hands to safely manage and climb up and down a ladder.